A water drop of diameter capital D breaks into 8 tiny drops of same size. If T is the surface tension of water, then the increase in potential energy will be. Remember, whenever single drop breaks into what? Many droplets, then always there is an increase in potential energy, and that increase in potential energy is actually difference of final surface energy, say E2, minus of initial surface energy E1. So the initial diameter means initially we are having a bigger drop. What is the radius of that bigger drop? Radius of bigger drop is r, and that r, it must be equal to half of diameter. Then if I say radius of small drop is small r, then radius of bigger drop and radius of small drop, they are related by the relation r is equal to n raised to 1 by 3 into small r. Here number of drops, it breaks into 8 tiny drops, means n is equal to 8. So r is equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3 into small r. But 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, because 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and it raised to power 1 by 3 into r. So this 3 into 1 by 3 get cancelled, and finally we had radius of bigger drop is equal to 2 times radius of smaller drop. 2 times radius of smaller drop, or radius of smaller drop is equal to radius of bigger drop divided by 2. Now increase in potential energy. What is increase in potential energy? It is E2 minus of E1. E2 minus of E1. So what is E2? E2 is what? Since there are n drops are there, so n drops means 8 drops multiplied by what is the surface energy of each of the small drop? It is 4 pi small r square into T minus of E1. E1 means surface energy of initial bigger drop. It is 4 pi. It is 4 pi capital R square into T. 4 pi capital R square into T. So this is equal to 8 into. Now in place of small r, we can write capital R by 2. So this is 4 pi into R by 8, 4 pi into R by 2 whole square into T minus of 4 pi R square into T, or it is equal to 8 into 4 pi into R square divided by 4 into T minus of 4 pi R square into T. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is 2 in bracket 4 pi R square into T, 4 pi R square into T minus of, so 2 into 4 pi R square into T minus of 4 pi R square into T. So you can take 4 pi R square into T as common, 4 pi R square T as common. So what is inside the bracket? It is 2 minus of 1, or it is simply 4 pi R square into T. But again R is nothing but d by 2. So that increase in potential energy E2 minus E1 is equal to 4 pi. Now in place of R we can write d by 2. So d by 2 whole square into T, that is 4 pi d square divided by 4 into T. This 4 get cancelled with 4. So pi d square into T. So increase in surface energy E2 minus of E1 is equal to pi d square into T. So out of 4 options, look at option number A. What is that option number A? Pi d square into T. So whenever single big drop of diameter d breaks into 8 tiny drops, then the increase in potential energy is pi d square into T. So the correct option for this question is A.